Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. This is your girl Mimi. I'm going to be showing you basically my little skin routine that I like to have during the winter time because I don't have time to get dry and I ain't got time to be looking ashy. So this is a great way that I like to seal into my hydration. So I'm going to be showing you my D.I.Y oat mask and my D.I.Y lip scrub, followed with the holy grail, you already know, the aloe vera mask. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get to the video. Alright, so the very first step that we're going to do is cleanse our face, and I'm going to be using the Now Solutions Charcoal Detox Gel Cleanser. Check that description box down below if you guys want the details on where you can get this bomb cleanser. I know you've seen it before, probably in my previous video. This is a cleanser that I do use quite often because it is good and it is vegan, and so for me those are a win-win, combination solution. So here, I'm just cleansing my face. It's really important that you cleanse your face for at least 60 seconds. Otherwise, you really kind of don't do your cleanser any justice. So just make sure, you thoroughly clean your face before you apply any type of mask or do any type of treatment to your skin. Alright, so let's get into how I made this D.I.Y oat mask. So for all my measurements, I will be using teaspoon measurements. You don't have to put in your ingredients in any particular order. Just make sure that you have at least 2 teaspoons of dried oats, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cashew milk, and half a teaspoon of sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is really good for your skin and has a lot of moisturizing factors, which is why I kind of toss that oil in there. But you can use any oil of your choice. You don't have to use sunflower seed oil. But basically, after you have all your ingredients thrown in there together, you're just going to mush the oats together. You're going to basically mix it up and mush the product together. So after that, I just went ahead and labeled my little container here that I'm putting the oat mask in. And then for the lip scrub, I didn't really want to show you guys how I made that just because this was my first time making it in a long time. And I added like some cocoa powder and some other different ingredients. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these masks here. For the oat mask, we're going to go ahead and do that first. So here I'm just showing you my problem areas that I have on my face. So you can see here I have it mainly on my forehead, like in the upper part of my forehead, and down by my chin and over by my ear. And I think that's because of product buildup. So the little amount of product that I do use on my hair, like edge control mixed in with like makeup. For me, my skin's super sensitive, so it's really easy for those specific areas to break out for me. But no need to worry because this mask gonna get us in check, okay? So you're just gonna go right in, take your fingers. You can use an applicator if you want to. I didn't have all that, so I just went in with my fingers. And not gonna lie, it was kind of a struggle to kind of get it on my face. The oats didn't really stick necessarily because it wasn't like real product. It's homemade D.I.Y over here. But we still made it work at the end of the day, and you can still kind of get the whole gist of how to put on the mask. So yeah, of course I'm going into my problem areas, my forehead and all that. And this is what I was looking like afterwards, which was a hot mess, okay? But that is okay. We are in our home, can't nobody see us, and we're gonna have flawless skin afterwards anyways. So I think I let this mask sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can let this sit for as long as you want. Like you can let this mask sit for 30 minutes if you want to. I wouldn't exceed 30 minutes just because it's probably going to be really difficult to try to get it off afterwards. But after I went off and I rinsed that off, I went right in, directly in with that aloe vera mask. I did this to seal in any type of moisture that we got from the oat mask. Oat masks are extremely hydrating for your skin, and they also help with acne scars. And then aloe is awesome because it's gonna help you reduce actual acne from reoccurring on your face. So yeah, the oat mask is gonna help me with my acne scars and getting those away, and then the aloe is gonna help with my actual acne, on top of just smoothing your skin and making it look more youthful. And then after that, I went in and I applied in this lip scrub here. This was quite interesting, I'm not gonna lie, but it worked for me. You know, it's just some brown sugar and some cacao powder, and I believe I put in some coconut oil, I believe. And you know, I just exfoliated my lips with that because I needed the exfoliation like yesterday. So I think I let that aloe mask sit again for another 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes if you really want to. But you can honestly see how my skin already looks brighter. And I don't know, it kind of has that glow, you know what I mean? And so yeah, if I keep doing this, you know, religiously in my skin routine, I think I definitely will see changes probably within like 30 days. You know, if you just try this out for 4 weeks, you might see some results. But yeah, that's my skin routine. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next.